In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the fixed asset item list in Intuit Quickbooks efficiently. This tutorial aims to guide you through each step of setting up your fixed assets so you can track and manage them effectively within your QuickBooks system. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First off, launch your QuickBooks and click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to the wide array of financial tools QuickBooks offers. Once there, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online. It's important to choose the right version of QuickBooks, as each version caters to different needs and features. Next up, enter your login credentials. These include your username and password. Following this, click Continue. If it's your first time accessing QuickBooks on this device, you may have to pass a security check, but once that's done, you're in. Now that you're logged in, choose your QuickBooks accountant. It's crucial to ensure you're operating in the right account to maintain accuracy in your accounting records. Once you're viewing your dashboard, locate and click on Advanced Accounting. This section is somewhat of a powerhouse for financial management and audit trails. Now look for the Fixed Assets option and give it a click. It's where you will manage all those long-term assets and define their place within your company's financial picture. Feeling comfortable so far? Great. Now head to the top right corner and click on Add an Asset. This will open a form where you can input all the necessary details for each of your fixed assets. Start by adding the asset name. This is simply what you want to call the asset in the system. Next, input the purchase price. This is the amount you paid for the asset. Enter the purchase date as well. It helps in tracking asset age and depreciation over time. For depreciation, add the start date when you first started or plan to start depreciating the asset. You'll then choose a depreciation method. Typically, options include straight line or declining balance. Pick the one that aligns best with your company policy. Moving along, you'll need to enter the useful life of the asset. This is essentially its lifespan in years. If you anticipate a salvage value at the end of this period, go ahead and fill in that detail too. Now it's time for the accounting details, which are essential for financial reporting. Begin with the asset account, followed by the accumulated depreciation account. Finally, include the depreciation expense account. This data ensures the financial impact of your fixed assets is accurately reflected in your accounting books. After reviewing the inputs for any discrepancies, click Save. It's a straightforward step, yet critically important for securing your data entry. And there you have it, a fixed asset entry diligently completed in QuickBooks. By applying these steps, you can efficiently manage and track your company's assets, giving you a clear view of asset depreciation and value at any given time. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.